Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.2, fifth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Okay. There are two parts in the question. And the first part of the question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. This is the first part of the question. In the first part of the question, they have given 2 points, that is A and B. Okay. Let me draw a graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. The point A, that is 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 means it may come here, right? 1 minus 5. And the point B is minus 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 4, 5 means it may come here, right? The point B, minus 4, 5. Then, let us join this line. Okay. Now look at this. This line is divided by the x-axis. Means what? This line, it is divided by this x-axis. Okay. We have to find out the coordinate of this point. Okay. We have to find out the x and y coordinate of this point. See, you can see that for x-axis we have value, right? But for y it is 0. Therefore, let us write it as x0. Here, this is what we have to find out. Y coordinate, that will be 0. Okay. But we have to find out the x coordinate of this point. Okay. Let me name this point as C. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the ratio. We have to find out the ratio. So what we have to do? When they will tell us to find out the ratio, we have to let the ratio in case to 1. Right? Solution. Now our intention is to find out the ratio. So let me let the ratio. Let the ratio is k is to 1. Means what? M1 is to M2 is k is to 1. Therefore, the value of M1 is what? K. And the value of M2 is 1. Okay. And we know that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. The coordinate of A, that is 1 minus 5. Therefore, this is our x1. x1 is 1 and y1 is minus 5. And the point B is minus 4, 5. Therefore, x2 is minus 4, y2 is 5. And C of xy, that is, this is x coordinate is x and y is 0. Isn't it? C of xy. Here x coordinate is x itself and the y coordinate is 0. Isn't it? That is C of x0 means y coordinate is 0. Okay. Since we are finding the ratio, which formula we have to use? We have to use the section formula. Isn't it? Here the middle point is C. Therefore, let me write it as C of xy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now C of x1 is nothing but what? x0, isn't it? So let me write here x and the y coordinate is 0. Therefore x0. m1 into x2, that is k into minus 4. k into minus 4 plus m2 into x1, that is 1 into 1, that is 1, isn't it? m2 is 1, x1 is also 1. 1 into 1 is 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is k plus 1. m1 is k, m2 is 1. Therefore, m1 plus m2 is k plus 1, comma m1 into y2. See here, m1 into y2, that is k into 5. That is what? 5k. 5k plus m2 into y1, that is 1 into minus 5. 1 into minus 5 is what? Minus 5, right? Divided by m1 plus m2 is k plus 1. Okay. x comma 0 is equal to k into minus 4 is what? Minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, comma 5k plus into minus is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Now look at this. This is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate, right? This one, whole, this one, it is our x coordinate. This one, it is our y coordinate. You can see that this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. We can see that the value of y coordinate is 0. So, equate this y coordinate to this 0, okay? Let me rub this, you can copy it on. No need to plot a graph, just for your understanding I have plotted the graph, okay? Now 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1, 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. This is our y coordinate and we are equating to the y coordinate of this one, that is 0. Now nothing in the denominator means we will consider it as 1. Now let us do the cross multiplication, okay? 5k minus 5 into 1 is how much? 5k minus 5 is equal to 0 into k plus 1 is 0. Then 5k is equal to minus 5, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become plus 5. Then k is equal to 5 by 5. It is in the multiplication, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. Therefore, now you can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. That is 1 by 1. Means k is equal to 1 by 1. Means the ratio is the ratio is 1:1. That is our m1 is 1, m2 is 1. Okay. 1 by 1 is nothing but m1 by m2. That is the value of m1 is 1, m2 is 1. We have found the ratio. Okay. Means the line AB, it is divided in 1:1. Means 2 equal parts. Okay. Now, what is our second part of the question? We have to find the coordinates of the point of division. Already I told you. C, it is the point of division. And we have, for y coordinate the value is 0. and we have to find out the value of x. Okay, this is the second part of the question. So let us do the second part of the question, that is we have to find out the coordinates of the point of division. Okay, now let me rub the board. Now AB is the point. Now we are finding the coordinate of this point, isn't it? The coordinate of A is 1 minus 5 and the coordinate of B is minus 4, 5. And this one x 0. We know the y coordinate. We have to find out the coordinate of x. And we know that it is divided in the ratio 1:1. Means m1 is 1, m2 is 1. And this is our x1, y1. That is x1 is 1, y1 is minus 5. And this is our x2, y2. That is x2 is minus 4, y2 is 5. Right? And this is our xy coordinate. Isn't it? And for x, we have to find out the value, and y we have 0. Now let us apply the section formula. Solution. C of xy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now C of xy, we know that is x0, isn't it? X comma 0 is equal to m1 into x2, that is 1 into x2 is minus 4, therefore minus 4 plus m2 into x1, that is 1 into 1 is what? 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, comma m1 into y2, that is 1 into 5, that is 5, plus m2 into y1, 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5, isn't it? m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 1. X comma 0 is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is what? Minus 3 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, comma. Now look at this, 5 plus into minus is minus 5 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, isn't it? That is, let me write here, minus 3 by 2, comma, plus 5 minus 5, it will get cancelled. That is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Isn't it? The value of x0 is what? Minus 3 by 2, comma 0. Now this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. Therefore, x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 and y we know that it is 0. That is the value of x is what? Minus 3 by 2. Isn't it? And we have completed the second part of the question. Find the coordinates of the point of division. That is, we have to find out the coordinates of the point C and we have found the coordinates of the point C. Okay. Hope you have understood. For the better understanding of the problem, let us plot a graph. No need to plot a graph in your exams. Okay. It is just for your understanding. Now look at this. The coordinates of A are minus 4, 5. It's minus 4, 5. It will come here, right? And the coordinate of B is 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 means it will come here. We have joined the line. Okay. Now the AB measures 11.2 centimeter. AB it measures 11.2 centimeter. And we know that AB is divided in the ratio 1:1. Isn't it? What it means? It means AB is divided into two equal parts. 1:1 means 1 plus 1. What we will get? 2. That is two equal parts. AB is divided into two equal parts. Okay. See here. This is one part and this is one part. Then AC is equal to 5.6 centimeter, CB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. That is from here to here it is 5.6 centimeter. Then C to B it is 5.6 centimeter. Okay. 1:1. Now we are finding the coordinate of the point C. You can see here the point C, it will come here, isn't it? Means the value of this point is -3/2 and for y axis we will get 0, isn't it? Y coordinate is 0 here. Only for the x coordinate we will get the value because the point is on the x axis. Okay. -3/2 it is nothing but -1.5 we got here. Hope you have understood the meaning of the question. Thank you.